Power spindle sanders are a type of sanding tool that is designed to make sanding small or intricate areas much easier. They are typically used in woodworking, although they can be used for a variety of other applications as well. These sanders are equipped with a spindle that rotates at high speeds, allowing the user to quickly and easily sand down smaller hard-to-reach areas. They come in a range of sizes and styles, with some models featuring multiple spindles for even greater versatility. Power spindle sanders are an essential tool for anyone who works with wood or other materials that require precision sanding. There are many products available to choose the best power spindle sanders for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best power spindle sanders for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEN 6510T Oscillating Spindle Sander. The WEN 6510T Oscillating Spindle Sander is the ultimate tool for smoothing out arcs, curves, contours, and odd shapes without any hassle. With a powerful 0.5 HP 3.5 amp motor, it provides 58 OPM and 2000 RPM, while the sanding spindle moves up to 5/8 inch stroke. It features onboard storage for all accessories, including 6 sanding sleeve attachment sizes and 5 rubber drums for a full range of curves. Moreover, the dust collection port helps minimize cleanup by attaching the dust collector of your choice to the onboard dust port. What we like: easy to swap plates and drums, onboard storage keeps accessories organized, powerful motor provides smooth and quiet operation, dust collection port helps minimize cleanup. Number 2. Shop Fox Oscillating Spindle Sander. The Shop Fox Oscillating Spindle Sander is a powerful and versatile tool for your sanding needs. With a 0.5 horsepower permanent magnet motor, this sander is CSA certified and operates on a 120-volt single phase. Its large table size of 11.5 inches by 15 inches and sanding drum diameter options of 3/4, 1, 1.5, 2, and 3 make it easy to handle various projects. The sander sleeves come in sizes of 0.5, 3/4, 1, 1.5, 2, and 3, with the 0.5 sleeve fitting directly on the spindle. At 30 pounds, this sander is also relatively lightweight and easy to move around. What we like: multiple sanding drum diameter options available, includes various sanding sleeve sizes, large table size for easy handling of projects, relatively lightweight at 30 pounds. Number 3. Jet JBOS 5 Oscillating Spindle Sander. The Jet JBOS 5 Benchtop Oscillating Spindle Sander is a durable and high-performing power tool that features precision ball bearings, a sealed lubricated box to prolong the life of the oscillation gears, built-in storage racks for spindles and table inserts, a tilting cast iron table for beveling, and a removable on-off safety switch to prevent accidental startup. With its consistent performance and added safety features, this power spindle sander is a reliable choice for any woodworking project. What we like: durable and consistent performance, convenient built-in storage racks, tilting cast iron table accommodates beveling. Number 4. WEN 5 amp Handheld Spindle Sander. The WEN HA5932 5 amp variable speed portable oscillating spindle sander is a versatile sander that can be used for handheld sanding in tight spaces or quickly clamped to a workbench to transform into a stationary spindle sander. With a powerful 5 amp motor, it provides variable speeds from 1800 to 3200 rotations and 50 to 90 oscillations per minute, with 4 different sanding spindle diameters. The sander comes with several accessories, including sanding sleeves, rubber drums, clamps, and an adjustable straight-edge guide plate. What we like: can be used as both a handheld and stationary spindle sander. Powerful 5 amp motor provides variable speeds for efficient sanding, comes with various accessories for versatile sanding options. Number 5. WEN 3.5 amp Oscillating Spindle Sander. The WEN 3.5 amp Oscillating Spindle Sander features 5 sizes of sanding sleeves, a 2000 RPM motor that oscillates the spindle 58 times per minute, onboard storage for accessories, and a spacious 14.5 by 14.5 inch table that bevels up to 45 degrees. This sander is perfect for sanding a variety of sized workpieces and can accommodate angled workpieces as well, making it a versatile tool for any workshop or DIY project. What we like: versatile tool for sanding various sized and angled workpieces, onboard storage keeps accessories, and sandpapers organized. Beveling tabletop accommodates angled workpieces up to 45 degrees. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.